right, Andrew, wherever you are. I'm sure you'll be enjoying this one.
11-8.
Good stuff.
Play.
It was good. It was called in.
Round 8.
Yep, it was called in. Yep. I saw the hand of the line judge go out to call good. 12-8. Oh, just beyond the reach there of Chien.
9-12.
It's been a bit of a tournament for underdogs. The world #1, Lin Dan, in the men's singles was beaten in the semis. We had the favourite in the final of the men's also beaten. We certainly had in the men's doubles as well. Korea came through, and the Korean also won the men's. So there's no reason why the underdogs here, Cheng and Chien of Chinese Taipei, can't also upset the favourites. It's 12-all in the first.
All.
And some aggressive play
12.
by Zhang and Yang Wei. Yang Wei with the service. Just some great reaction. Just wide. It was a great
12.
lead. Good lead by Jiewen. Champions 6 years ago in this tournament, and I'm about to tell you when I get my sheet out when that was or where that was. That was in Bangkok.
Over.
Bangkok in 2002.
14.
Big hit there from Hsing. Oh, and a second
Service
good take.
over.
Wow.
15.
How unlucky
13.
can you be? Oh, too good.
16.
That's
13.
Again, a reflex shot from Jiewen. That was just, well, too quick, too good. That's better.
Service over.
Followed up by Hsing to kill, but Chien
16.
did well. Keep the team in it. 14-16. This is now developing into a very, very good contest. Oh, what a
Service
shame.
over.
What a shame.
17,
Chien finds
14.
the net. Disappointment there. They were in great shape, developing a very good position.
Service over. 15, 17. Service over.
Oh, that's very loose.
18,
very loose.
15.
Nice
Service
touch.
over.
Good, good chasing across.
16,
Hsing
18.
anticipated that. Yeah, lovely. A blind drop. Oh, what a pickup there. This is excellent defense by the Taipei team. Can they now turn it into a win? No, they can't. That's wide. What a shame. Wen Ting did everything there.
19,
It was a brilliant,
16.
brilliant defensive work there by Taipei.
Service over.
But again, when Hsing does enough, she anticipates
17,
well, gets to the
19.
net, forces the error. It's all pretty dynamic stuff, isn't it? There's no time to break or rest. Into the body. Good work. She's got lots of bandages all over. Right arm. It's out.
18, 19.
You know, I think the crowd are on the Taipei side. Lots of smiles in the crowd. Good to see. The biggest disappointment, of course, is that there were no Malaysians on show here today in Johor Bahru. That's out. It's 19 all.
19 all.
A good close battle here. Never have they beaten this Chinese team, Chien and Cheng, 10 occasions previously, and not one have they managed to win. The most recent loss was at the Yonex All England. Before that, in January in the Malaysian Open.
20.
Wow, how about this?
19.
Cheng and Chien have gained point. Come on, KLRC. Great pick up there. And that's out for 20
Service
all.
over. 20 all.
Well, quality will always out, I guess. With the service there is Zhang Jiewen. This is a huge point. It's long. It's game
21,
point now
20.
to Zhang on Yang Wei. They just keep their aggressive style all the time. And that is it. It's 22-20 in favour of Zhang Jiewen and Yang Wei of China in this opening game. Chance was lost by Wen Ting and Yu
Won
Chin.
by Yang Wei.
They had the chance. They
Zhang
didn't take
Jiewen,
it.
22-20.
Well, in a way, it's a shame because I fear now that the former champions may well go on and win it. In fact, Yang Wei with Zhao Jingting last year won it, so in fact she is looking to be three-time champion. After the first few points,